Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. Today is a curiosity day, so I will disassemble this infrared thermometer and find out together what are the parts inside and how it works. I have made a video how you can use it down below the description or right in the corner after the end of this video. Now, we need to remove two screws. I have already removed the screws and another one screw behind this sticker. There it is, already remove it. So next I need to remove this cover at the front and of course the battery, 9 volt. Oh, so easy. So fast. Here it is, the sensor, the laser, everything connected at the board. The two metal contacts are coming in contact with the battery and gives power to the board. The LCD display, the on-off switch, the plastic trigger, the plastic housing, everything is plastic. So that is all about. You can see how the board it is. At the back it is the LCD display, what parts it has and how it works, the small speaker for the beep, the cover for the battery. Now you are smarter, you know what parts it has, this infrared thermometer and how it works. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.